I want to look like a glazed donut, and I need to look like one now. This obviously needs to be done with my trusted donut palette. I'm going to lay on a shimmer right here at first. I'm just using my finger because I'm lazy. Now on top, I'm gonna take this shade because it goes really well with that shade of donut that I'm thinking of. And the hope is just that the shimmer underneath kind of keeps shining
through the eyeshadow that we added on top.
Then I think it's only fair that we use the glazed donut from Ofra because it goes with the theme. Just adding a little bit of that brown shade back because it did get a little bit lost in all of the shimmer, but it is still very glazy looking. Then I'm gonna pick up this white shimmer and that's gonna be like little drippy effects underneath here. It's one of those things where it's like barely there but so pretty when you catch a glimpse of it. I don't know why I've started to want to dress up as different baked goods. It's like this is not my first time doing that. I've been a strawberry donut so far, and I've been a strawberry shortcake. If you have any ideas on what I should try next, do let me know. This is perfection. like, I know it's kind of simple. That was the goal. I mean, it just feels so cute. See you in the next one.